Hello, my name is Scott Lee. I'm a senior scientist and the capability lead for microscopy capability in EMSL. My specialty is in scanning probe microscopes and in bioimaging. This equipment behind me is a helium-ion microscope. The helium-ion microscope is unique in that instead of using electrons, it uses helium ions to produce your images. This actually has a number of advantages to a normal SEM. Specifically, they would be a very large depth of field, and so you get a nice three-dimensional perspective of the samples that you get. Second is that it is very surface sensitive, and so you get a lot of detail that would normally be washed out with a secondary electron microscope. And thirdly, because it has high spatial resolution, you can get very high spatial resolution depth of field surface features of your samples. An exciting thing we're working here at EMSL is coupling the helium-ion microscope with some nonlinear optical techniques to get some chemical information in addition to secondary or surface features of your image. This instrument can advance users' research by helping researchers to really look at what's going on in the interfaces between minerals and organic surfaces. By understanding the organic mineral interface, we can understand the mechanisms of weathering and determine what are the rate limiting elements in the soil that have influence on microbial and plant growth. One project we're working on relates to understanding the role of anaerobic gut fungi in large herbivores and how it breaks down lignin. Fungi produce cellulosomes, which are very efficient at breaking down lignin, but the structure of these cellulosomes, particularly for fungi, is unknown, and so we use this instrument to help find out the structure of these particular complexes. The helium-ion microscope produces secondary electron images, which gives you surface detail of your samples. We combine this with the transmission electron microscope, or TEM images, to provide cross-sectional views of the same sample. And using this cross-correlation, we can actually get a better understanding of the structure of the materials being analyzed.